सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वंदे वाल्मीकि कोकिलम्। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। अशीत्युत्तरत्रिशततमी कक्षा अद्य 380th class today. जानन्ति भवन्तः, you know all that यत् अस्माभिः संक्षेप रामायणम् इति श्लोकशतकं पठ्यमानमस्ति। एतस्मिन् श्लोकशतके एतावत्पर्यन्तम् 38 श्लोकाः पठिताः अस्माभिः। 38 श्लोकाः अपि न पठिताः, क्षम्यतां, 35 श्लोकाः पूर्णतया पठिताः सन्ति। 36 श्लोकस्य भागः अपि पठितः अस्माभिः। अद्य 36, 37, 38 अर्धभागं पठित्वा वयम् अग्रे व्याकरणादि विषयान् पश्यामः। श्रीनिवास पठ्यताम्। रामो
राजा धर्मज्ञ इति रामो वचो ब्रवीत्। रामोऽपि परमोदारः सुमुखः सुमहायशाः न
चैच्छत् पितुरादेशाद् राज्यम्।
रामो महाबलः पादुके चास्य राज्यस्य न्यासं दत्त्वा पुनः पुनः।
पादुके चास्य राज्यस्य न पुनः
पादुके चास्य राज्याय न्यासं दत्त्वा पुनः पुनः निवर्तयामास ततो भरताग्रजः।
एवं रामः अपि पदच्छेदः परमोदारः सुमुखः सुमहायशाः न चैच्छत् पितुः आदेशात् राज्यं रामः महाबलः पादुके च अस्य राज्याय न्यासं दत्त्वा पुनः पुनः निवर्तयामास ततः भरताग्रजः। What a beautiful coinage of ऋषि प्रयोग। भरताग्रजः, भरतस्य अग्रजः भ्राता भरताग्रजः, भरताग्रजः। The elder brother of Bharata made return Bharata. See the beauty of coinage of words. भरताग्रजः इति पदच्छेदः। पदपरिचयं कुर्मः। अपि परमोदारः सुमुखः सुमहायशाः न अव्ययम् च अव्ययम् ऐच्छत् प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनम्। पितुः ऋकारान्त आदेशात् राज्यम् महाबलः पादुके अस्य सर्वनाम शब्द राज्याय एकवचनम् न्यासम् अकारान्त दत्त्वा क्त्वान्तम् अव्ययम् तत्र धातुः दा इति वर्तते। दान् पुनः पुनः अव्ययम् निवर्तयामास वृत् निच्। So much description is there here. नि इति उपसर्गः, वृत् इति धातुः, निच् इति तत्र प्रत्ययस्य नाम, निच् नाम प्रेरणार्थी निच्, कर्तरि active voice, lit in the perfect tense, prathama purusha ekavachana. This is the big description of the word nivartayamasa padam. Tataha तद्धितान्तं अव्ययम भरतम भरताग्रजः सो एवं रूपेण पदपरिचयः अस्ति आकांक्षां पश्यामः न ऐच्छत् डिडंट वांट न ऐच्छत् नाम डिडंट वांट आंग्लभाषायां डिड नॉट वांट now sometimes I say we have some sandhi like things in English na ऐच्छत् is there a na ऐच्छत् if you break na ऐच्छत् is of course is made नैच्छत् na plus I नैच्छत् also you can make a sandhi also here नैच्छत् na plus I nahi only नैच्छत् further vriddhi sandhi can come on this नैच्छत् one word didn't want how do you dissolve didn't did not so it's a kind of sandhi I say so kahana ऐच्छत् who did not want Rama did not want. Rama kim na ऐच्छत् what did not Rama want? Rama did not want the kingdom. कीदृशः Ramah राज्यं न ऐच्छत् what type of Rama did not want the kingdom? Highly merciful or highly graceful, charitable, udara, liberal, highly liberal Rama did not want the kingdom. Punascha Kidusha, again what type of Rama?
Sumukha.
Very Sumukha means very comfortable, very, you can say, comfortable, you can say. We are given a gracious aspect. Sumukha means one who has a very gracious face. Right. Punascha Kidusha Rama, again what type of Rama? Sumaha Yasha. Rama, yes, Sumaha Yashaha. So this Yashash Shabda in Prathama Vibhakti gets Visarga. Yashaha, Tejaha, Mahatejaha, like that. Sumaha Yashaha, of great fame. Rama of great fame. Iti Akanksha. Nivartayamasa iti Kriyapadasya tatra Punah Akanksha. Kaha Nivartayamasa. Nivartayamasa means here made return. Angla Bhashayam. Which prayoga is there na? Rama made Bharata return to Ayodhya. That is Nivartana. Nivartayamasa means made him return. So, Kaha Nivartayamasa. Who made return? Bharata understood. Bharatagrajaha Nivartayamasa. The elder brother of Bharata made return. Bharatagrajaha kam nivartayamasa. The elder brother of Bharata made whom return? He made Bharata to return. Katham nivartayamasa. How did he ask him to return? Again and again he asked him to, he made him return. Kim krutva punah punah nivartayamasa. Doing what again and again he asked him to go? Return. Nyasam datva. Nyasam is a kind of deposit. Deposit, nyasa. So giving the deposit of his shoes, sandal, paduka. Paduke nyasa rupena datva nivartayamasa bharatam. Then kidrusham nyasam datva nivartayamasa. He made him return by giving what type of deposit? Paduke nyasam datva. Giving the deposit of Paduka, he made him return. Kimartam Paduke nyasam datva nivartayamasa. Why did he make Bharata return giving the deposit of shoes? For running the kingdom, he gave him the Paduka and made him return. So, Anvayartha Patyatam.
Paramodaraha Sumukaha
Yashaha
Mahabadharamahahi Piduhu Adeshat Rajyam na Aichate Bharatagrajaha Ramaha Rajyaya Paduke Nyasam Gatva Bharatam Punah Nivartayamasa.
Now sometimes very as a criticism, loose criticism, people generally say that, not scholars, Pamaraha Natu Panditaha Yamadanti. Bharata was so unkind to Rama that he even took away his sandals and made him walk naked. Just like that, people say, but it was not so. In the real story, it is not like that. Rama never wanted to give Paduka. He himself brought a pair of Padukas with gold covered Padukas. Bharata knew perhaps well that Rama would not that easily accept to come back to rule the country. So he beforehand only had a plan that he took some Padukas with gold plating, and on that Padukas he asked his brother Rama to step, and then he takes that Padukas. That is the criticism, just a loose criticism, I said. Bharata even took away his Padukas and made him walk in the jungle. No. So Anvayartha, Parama Udaraha, highly liberal, supremely liberal, Sumukhaha. No, I am just explaining the Anvayartha. Sumukhaha, very gracious, Sumaha Yashaha, of great fame, Mahabalaha, mighty strength, Rama, Api Rama also, Pituhu Adeshat, by the order of his father, Rajyam na Aichata, did not wish to take on the kingship. Bharata Agrajaha, that is Bharatasya Agrajaha, the elder brother of Bharata, Rajyaya, then Rama, for the kingdom, Paduke Nyasam Dattva. So on the request of only, remember, on the request of Bharata only, he gave the Paduka as Nyasa. He took, Bharata said, I will keep them as a deposit until you come. And Bharata says, if you don't come after 14 years, then you will not see my face alive. If I cannot see you after 14 years of exile, Bharata will not be living to see your face. You must return. On that condition only he takes the Padukas. So Dattva, Nyasam Dattva, Bharatam Punah Punah. I have to remember that while this is only Sankshepa Ramayana, where it comes in the main body of the Ayodhya Kanda. Adhiroharya, Adhiroha Arya, Adhiroharya, Padabhyam Paduke Hema Bhushite, Hema Bhushite Paduke, Adhiroha Arya, my brother, please step in on the Padukas which are coated with gold. Hema Bhushite Paduke Adhiroha Arya, Padabhyam Adhiroha. You please put your feet on the Padukas and the sandals which are embellished with gold. Etehi sarvalokasya yogakshepam vidhasyataha. These Padukas will protect the entire world. These Padukas will be ruling the country, not me, but your Padukas will be protecting and ruling the Ete sarva lokasya, etehi sarva lokasya yogakshepam vidhasyataha. These will take care of the rule in your absence. I am nothing, I am not fit to rule in your place. That is what Bharata's humility is, the highest humility. Bharata was so humble. And then he says, I have brought this, please step in, and then I will take if you don't want to come. And condition is that you must return after 14 years, otherwise you cannot see my face. So that is it. Then we go to Padartha Srinivas. Parama Udaraha, Udara Chetaha, supremely magnanimous, Sumukaha, Shobhana, Anana. Mukha, Anana, Shabdas are, you know, both are same. Shobhana, Anana. Having a very gracious aspect, no? Face, you can say. Look of, not aspect. Sumaha Yashaha, meaning? Sukirti, one who had a great reputation. Mahabalaha,
Shakti Sampanna,
Adhika Shakti Sampannaha, possessor of great might. Ramaha, Raghavaha, Api, there can't be any other word. Avyayam Pituhu, Janakasya, Adeshat Ajnaya, Rajyam, Simhasanam, Na, Aichat, Avanchat, वाञ्छति अवाञ्छत् अवाञ्छत् भरताग्रजः भरतस्य
ज्येष्ठभ्राता
कामः राज्याय
राजसिंहासने
पादुके
पादत्राणे
पादत्राणे त्राण means protector. Paduka means padatranam, shirastranam. Shirastranam we say sometimes they are using in our newspapers for a helmet. 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 It will be with you till you go to hell. Helmet. So shirastranam, padatranam. Then nyasam. Nikshepam. There is another word for this. Nikshepam. Nyasam nama nikshepa. You know, nikshepa means deposit. Dattva pradaya lyabanta bharatam sumitra punah punah bhuyo bhuyo nivartayamasa prati preshaya. So he made him return. Now here is persuaded him to return in English. Lautaya. Lautaya is more correct than persuading. Okay, sense is same, but made him return is better. Made him return. Bhavartha Srinivas Patat.
उदारचेताः शोभनाननः सुप्रसिद्धः महाशक्तिसम्पन्नः श्रीरामः जनकस्य आज्ञया राज्यं न ऐच्छत्.
Okay. Udara Chetaha, as we have already noted the meaning, Purameva Asmavi Patitaha, Artaha, Udaram Chetaha Yasya Saha. Udara Cheta. I think that will come here, down there, not explained. Not anyway. Udaram Chetaha Yasyaha. Shobhananana. Shobhanam Annam Yasyaha. Yasyasaha. So, of noble character, highly liberal and very good looking and very suprasiddha, highly popular, Mahashakti Sampannaha, highly efficient and powerful, Sri Rama Janakasya Agneya, by the order of Janaka, Rajyam na Aichat, did not want to rule the kingdom. Rajyaya, for the administration purpose, Swapaduke, his own padukas, Dattva, Bharatam Bhuyo Bhuyaha, after handing over the padukas to Bharata, he again and again asked Bharata to return. He persuaded, in other words, requested Bharata to return. Ayodhyam pratipreshitavan. He sent him back to Ayodhya. So when Rama was continuously declining, not accepting to return, then Bharata said, at least you give me, you step in these special shoes, I will take them as your representation. That is Nyasa. Representation, deposit. I think English okay, Srinivas. But here, one point has to be added here in the English translation. Handing over to Bharata is pair of wooden sandals as his representative. But this is only Sankshepa Ramayana, so let me not say wooden, but they were coated with gold in the original. As I read out the poem, Hema Bhushiti, Hema Bhushiti Paduke. So anyway, Vyakarana. Before Vyakarana, Srinivas show them that point.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is required. What we are showing now for the page 122. In the last class, we stopped here, where Bru Dhatu is asked to be done, derived in Lati in present tense, Liti in the perfect tense, and also in Langi in the past tense. So some I wrote, now a clear picture emerges here. Please look into Bru in Lat, present tense. Bru is Ubhayapadi, therefore it is found in Parasmai as well as Atmanepadi. So Braviti says, Esha Purushaha Braviti, Aha means both are. The second form is used mostly in the ancient literature. Brutaha Ahatuhu. Bruvanti say, Ahuhu also. Ahuhu means say, Bruvanti means say. So that is Parasmai Pada, third person. If you go across the Atmanepada, Brute, Bruvate, Bruvati. This is a bit difficult. One has to learn them. Brute, Bruvate, Bruvate. Second person in the Parasmai Pada, Bravishi and Atha. Two forms are here. Brutah ahatuhu. Brutha. Brutha means yum brutha, which is equivalent to vadatha. If you take simple verb vada, to speak. Bhashadve, if you take bhasha, atmanipada bhashad. So vada, if you take vadatha, yum vadata, yum brutha. Then atmanipada, if you go brushe, you speak, tvam brushe, yuvam bruvate, yum brudhve, bhashadve, yum brudhve, you all speak. Coming to Uttama Purusha, bravimi, aham samskrutam bravimi, aham samskrutam vadami, avam samskrutam bruvaha, we both speak Sanskrit, vayam samskrutam brumaha. Atmanepadi, aham samskrutam bruve, avam samskrutam bruvahe, vayam samskrutam brumahi. In Atmanepadi. This is lakara. When we go to lang lakara, immediately after this I have taken lang. Parasmayapadi Atmanipada. Abravit, said. Avochat or avadat. If you take simple verb, vadati, vadataha, vadanti, avadat. Abrutam, abruvan. If you go to the across Atmanipada, abruta, abruvatam, abruvata. Then second person, abravihi. Abravi, what is vadat dhatu? Can you recollect? Vada. Avadat, third person. Second person would be Bhutakala Srinivas. Avadat, avadatam, avadan. Second person. Madhyama Purusha, avadaha, avadatam, avadata. Uttama Purusha, avadam, avadava, avadama. Vada in Parasmaypada. So abravihi is equal to avadaha. Tvam avadaha. Tvam satyam avadaha. Or tvam satyam abravihi. Yuvam satyam abrutam. You both spoke the truth. Yuyam satyam abruta avadata, which is equivalent to avadata. Coming to Atmanipada, abruthaha, you spoke. Abruvatham, you both spoke. Abrudhvam, you all spoke. Then Uttama Purusha, abravam, aham abravam, aham avadam, abravam nama avadam, Parasmayapadi. Abruva, we both spoke. Abruma, we all spoke. Then Atmanepada, abruvi, I spoke. Abruvahi, we both spoke. Abrumahi, this is now coming to lit, which is not for the beginners anyway, but introduced here. Uvacha means spoke. Ucha tuhu, they both spoke. Uchuhu, they all spoke. Sanjayo vacha, Bhagavanu vacha, there you come in Gita, this uvacha. Uvakta, second person. Uvakta, uvachita, two forms are there. Uchatuhu, if you observe closely, Srinivas, the third person dual and second person dual are same, except what is the difference? See, one is Alpa Prana, another is Mahaprana, right? Uchatuhu, if you see third person dual, what is second person? Tuhu, that's all. Uchatuhu, that is the only difference. Ucha. Then Uvacha and Uvacha. There is one more form here. And in lit, the third person singular, first person singular are always same. Uvacha, uvacha. So you may ask how to know. If I say aham uvacha, then I spoke. Saha uvacha means he spoke. That's it. Like in English. Spoke does not change in this. But it is not so with regular lang lakara. Avadat, saha avadat, aham avadam, totally change. So, uchiva. Now this is also there in Atmanepada, which I felt is too much. Not necessary, so I did not take down that. Uchiva, uchima. This only let them see and learn. So we go to Vyakaranamsha. Sandhihi Prathama. Ramopi. Read. Very good. Chaichat.
Cha plus Aichat.
Vriddhi Sandhi. Chaichat. Similarly, I said na Aichat, we came across na Naichat. It can be made into Naichat. Na plus Aichat. Vriddhi Sandhi. Pitur Adeshat. Pituhu.
Plus Adeshat.
Visarga. Again Visarga. Adeshat Rajyam.
Adeshat plus Rajyam. Jastva.
This whole sandhi jastva. Adeshat ta becomes the Adeshat Rajyam. Ramo Mahabalaha.
Ramah Mahabalaha.
Simple visarga sandhi. Kha samasa amshaha. Paramodaraha.
Paramaschasu. Udarascha. Paramodaraha. Karmadharascha.
In this also you have sandhi here. I will show you. Paramaha cha asau udaraha cha. These are sandhis. If you join, then you get paramascha asau udarascha. So paramaha cha asau. What is this sandhi here? Visarga sandhi. Followed by Savarnadina sandhi. Paramaha plus cha paramascha. Then Savarnadina sandhi is called asau. Paramascha asau. Then udaraha plus cha. Udarascha again Visarga sandhi. Paramodaraha. This is karma dharaya samasa. In karma dharaya samasa, both the members, both the words will be having same vibhakti. Paramaha udaraha. See, paramaha udaraha. Paramascha asau. Asau means this person. Udaraha cha. So, next, sumukaha.
Shobhanam mukham yasya saha sumukhaha bahuvrihi.
Sumukha means that person whose mukha, yasya mukham, yasya ananam, sundaram asti. Su nama sundaram, shobhanam asti. Shobhanam mukham yasya. So, beautiful faced, gracious faced, sumahayashaha. Again,
Shobhanam sumahat.
that su means shobhanam. Shobhanam mahat yashaha.
Yasya saha sumahayashaha bahuvrihi.
Beautiful and great. So means Shobhanam, wonderful. And Mahat is, both are there. Sumaha Yashaha. Mahavalaha. Mahad Yasya Saha Mahavala. This is Bahuri. Bharatagrajaha. Bharatasya Agraj. This is Shashti Tatpurusha. Very simple samasas. Krudanta only one. Dattva. Da iti kriyapadam. Ktvanta. So you get Dattva, having given. Idanim abhyasaha vimshaha. Itra sloka anugunam eta amshaha atra santi. Kati amshaha santi? Shad amshaha eva Srinivas. Prathama amshaha sloka anusaram samadatta. Answer as per the poem. Ramaha kim na aichat. What did not Rama like?
Ramaha rajyam na aichat.
Very simple. Ramaha rajyam na aichat. Kasya adeshat Ramaha rajyam na aichat. By whose order did Rama not want the kingdom? Pituhu Janakasya adeshat. Or if you use Pitru Shabda, Pituhu adeshat. So Kasya replaced by Pituhu. Kasya Pituhu adeshat, everything same holds. Then Ramaha kam nivartayamasa.
Ramaha bharatam nivartayamasa.
Kam should be replaced here. Whom? Kam means whom. Whom did Rama make go? Return. Make return. I'm sorry. Whom did Rama make return? So kam means Bharatam. Ramaha Bharatam nivartayamasa. Punaha Ramaha Rajyartham Bharataya kim dattavan. What did Rama give to Bharata for the sake of the kingdom?
Rajyartham bharataya
Paduke dattavan. Kim, take out kim. Ramaha Rajyartham Bharataya Paduke dattavan. So rapidly sum up, Srinivas. Rajyam. First Rajyam kim. Rajyam kasya pituhu. Kam Bharatam and kim Paduke. These are the answers. Dvitiyamsha. Sabdartho yatochitam yojana. No, yojana. Mahabalaha joins with, sorry, महाबलः
महापराक्रमी से
या महापराक्रमी ग महाबलः महापराक्रमी 2 सुमहायशाः
सुकीर्ति
very easy सुकीर्तिः क first one क सुमुखः
शोभनाननः
शोभनाननः ख second one from the right fourth one भरताग्रजः
भरतस्य ज्येष्ठ भ्राता
that is very simple that is घ निवर्तयामास प्रति
प्रतिप्रेषयामि
चकार घ so this is 1 2 3 4 5 I will give you g k kh gh and oh I am repeating the same mistake ñ k k g g ng ñ yeah g is repeated here so then they can make out those who are following is very easy nothing then trutiyamshah asamanarthakam opposite different word separate okay read Srinivas
प्रतियामास प्रतिनिवर्तयामास
no starting with nivartayamas
निवर्तयामास
प्रतिनिवर्तयाम चकार
प्रतिप्रेषितवान्
प्रत्यगमयत्
प्रत्यगमयत् प्रवर्तयामास
which one you think
प्रतिप्रेषितवान्
no Srinivas प्रतिप्रेषित sent towards pratyagamayat all have almost the same sense making sent away nivartayamasa pratinivartaya प्रतिप्रेषितवान् प्रत्यगमयत् प्रवर्तयामास प्रत्यगमयत् प्रतिअगमयत् गमयति making him go made him go but not sending him sense is not there in this made go made him return nivartayamasa means made him return not go return to this place where he came from that is nivartana so that may be out 2 aichat
इष्टवान् अलभत अवाञ्छत्
akankshat akamayat
अलभत
very clearly it is alabhata got alabhata means got otherwise aichat wished ishtavan wished avanchat wanted akankshata wanted akamayata wished all are same so alabhata is odd out dattva pradaya samarpya gruhitva arpayitva
गृहीत्वा
because dattva is giving pradaya is giving samarpya is also giving arpayitva also means having made an offer but gruhitva is opposite taking so odd when prutak padamasti gruhitva chaturtha vakye अंशे तत्र अग्रजः ज्येष्ठः अनुजः अग्रजन्मा
अनुज
अनुजा everywhere it is elder agrajah jyeshtah agrajanma is also a derivative word because agre janma yasya saha fellow who is born first bahuri so anuja is anu is paschat jayate jatah anujah so anujah odd finally nyasah nikshepah sukham so sukham is odd here because nyasa and nikshepa both are synonymous paryaya pade iti dve atah sukham iti bhinnam pruthak padamasti so I sum up here 1 pratyagamayat 2 alabhata 3 gruhitva 4 anujah 5 sukham iti etani pancha uttarani असमानार्थकानि पृथक्कृतानि अस्माभिः अंशः चतुर्थः श्रीनिवास चतुर्थ अंशः विसन्धिं कुरुता डिस्जॉइन द यूफोनिक कॉम्बिनेशन सो तत्र पंच एव दत्ताः सन्ति शब्दाः रामोऽपि रामः प्लस अपि as you know, it's very simple. Chaichat. It should be broken as cha plus aichat. Chaichat. What we have just come across also in the other page, the previous page. Chaichat is already there. Again, visarga sandhi, vruddhi sandhi, sorry. Cha aichat, chaichat, vruddhi sandhi. Punaha chasya. So simple. Cha plus asya, chasya. Pituhu adeshat. Pituhu plus adeshat. This is also visarga sandhi. Pituhu plus adeshat, pitura adeshat. Visarga se ref adesh. Then panchama sandhi. Ramo mahabalah. Ramaha plus mahabalah. Punaha visarga sandhi. एवं प्रकारेण विसर्ग संधि बहुधा प्रयुक्तः दृश्यते अस्माभिः. Visarga sandhi is found to be seen more than any other. Of course, other sandhis are also seen, but mostly. So, I will just sum up once again. Ramaha api first. Cha aichat vruddhi. Simply disjoin here. Cha plus asya savarna. Pituhu adeshat. Again visarga. Ramaha mahabalaha visarga. Panchama amshaha. Pratipadikam likhata. Write the base forms here. The stems, the basic forms. Fifth one. For example, one example is given here. Sumahayashaha, meaning Sumahayashas. So that is the base pratipadika for which. So find out paduke. What is the base for this? Paduka shabda. Paduka. From paduka, paduka is napumsalikam. Paduka. Padukam, paduke, padukani. Padukam, paduke, padukani. Like that. Varam vane varani. Nyasas, nyasam. Nyasa is the base. This is pullinga shabda. Nyasaha, nikshepaha iti. Asya. What is the base? Yes, any doubt?
Asya.
Asya only, no doubt in Nyasa. Asya is idam shabda. Makarantaha idam sarvanama shabda. Asya comes shashti ekavachana. Asya. Idam. So what is the pratipadika here? Idam. Idam moolam. Idam moolam asya shabdas. Wow. What a rhyming, huh? Idam moolam asya shabdasya. What is the base of this shabda? Idam, makaranta. How does it go, Srinivas? Ayam, imau, ime. Strilinga, iyam, ime, imaha. Iyam sita, mama suta. Ayam, ramaha. Ayam. Ayam and iyam, that is the difference in linga. Then you go to Adeshad. Adesha iti akaranta pullinga shabda. Adeshat. But why here sandhi should be given adeshat directly? Panchami should have been given. Okay, very simple. Paduka nyasa idam adesha etani atra pratipadikani santi chatvari pratipadikani. Antima amshaha shashta amshaha व्युत्पत्ति प्रतिभायाः परीक्षा छात्राणां प्रतिभा परीक्षा अत्र प्रदत्तान् शब्दान् प्रयुज्य कतिचन वाक्यानि निर्मातव्यानि लेखनीयानि. Okay, sumukha, you can make anything. Sumukha purushaha sarvatra ishyate is liked. A man whose face is pleasing is liked everywhere. Sumukha purushaha sarvatra ishyate. Icha ishyate. Passive, karmani. Sumukha ramaha sarvaihi nagarikaihi ishtaha or vanchitaha. Sumukha ramaha. Like that you can make. Sumukha purushaha what we call the interview. Pratyaksha. There is a word for interview. Interview madhye, if you don't know, you say interview madhye. Sumukha Purusha eva interview madhye chitaha bhavati. A good faced person only gets selected in the interview. Sakshatkara, I think. Sakshatkara, some word is there. I'm not getting that. So a good faced person, pleasant faced person only gets selected in the interview. Sumukha Purushaha interview madhye chitaha bhavati. Niyuktaha bhavati. Adesha you can make any sentence. Like contextual sentence is Ramaha pituhu adeshat pituradeshat vanam agachat. Ramaha pituradeshat vanam agachat. Aranyam agachat. So putraha pituhu adesham na palayati. Chhatraha gurohu adesham na palayati. You have to make some sentence only, meaningful at the same time. Adyatve nowadays Chhatraha guroho adeshan na palayanti. Parantu guravaha eva chhatranam adeshan palayanti. There was one saying, I will tell you, such a thing happened. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu. One quotation was reversed, Srinivas, in one seminar. Guru Acharya Devo Bhava. So they twisted it to suit the modern times. Chhatra Devo Bhava. Vidyarthi Devo Bhava. Chhatra Devo Bhava. That means now, because they are gods, not gurus. Chhatra, Vidyarthi is God. If you don't have student, then your post will be deleted. No, that is the situation. Vidyarthi Devo Bhava. So dump them and survive. So I was really, it was very amusing and also somewhat foolish looked. Times, then they say, no, times have changed. There was a time when this was said thousands of years ago, Acharya Devo Bhava. Okay. So Adesha, Nyasa. Nyasa is Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. There is one poem of great, when in the story of Shakuntala, as described by Kalidasa in his famous Nataka, Abhignana Shakuntalam. Then Kanva Maharshi, while sending her away, uses this word. Artho hi kanya parakiya eva tamadya sampreshya parigrahituhu jato mamayam vishada prakamam jato mamayam antaratma, I think. Jato mamayam antaratma vishadaha prakamam jato mamayam vishada prakamam pratyarpitanyasa iva antaratma ayam mama antaratma. Idam shabdasya prayoga. Ayam mama antaratma. This my inner soul, this my inner self or consciousness. My consciousness has become totally, perfectly at ease. We say now, when we finish off some good work, we say, oh, my burden is unloaded, or my antaratma is perfect now, etc. The inner voice. So, jato mama ayam, mama Maharshi Kanvasya ayam antaratma vishadaha prakamam jataha. It has become totally clear and peaceful now. Having sent that girl today, like what? Pratyarpita nyasa eva. Kanya is a nyasa with the parents. If not today, someday we will have to get them married. So when we give out our Kanya, do the Kanya Dana, and then we hand over the care of our daughter to somebody else. That is kind of deposit returning to the depositor. So Kalidasa says every woman is like a deposit with the parents. When the time comes, you have to return the deposit to the depositor. And when you return the deposit to the right person, depositor, then you are at peace. Jato mamayam vishada prakamam pratyarpita nyasa iva antaratma. Mama antaratma prakamam jata. Vishadaha. So that is the word here, nyasa. So some people, some students fought with me. Artho hi kanya parakiya eva. Kanyartha. Kanya artha eva. A girl is like a money deposit. Nyasa. Arthanyasa eva bhavati. Parakiya eva. Therefore she belongs to somebody else. What wrong? No. One girl says, no, how can Kalidasa compare girl with money? Try to understand. She is like a deposit of money with the parents. She has to be returned to the depositor. Try to understand the cultural, the concept there. They don't understand. So she started crying and shouting at Kalidasa. Then go and find out Kalidasa and tell you. So Nyasa is that, Srinivas. Now where is Nyasa used in our context here?
Nyasa
Paduke. So you can make a sentence. Putri pitroh samipe nyasaha iva bhavati. Daughter is like a deposit with the parents. Putri pitroh samipe nyasaha iva bhavati. Paduke Ramayana Kathayam Paduke Bharatasya Samipe Nyasa iva Astham. Nyasa iva Astham. The Padukas Ramasya Paduke Bharatasya Samipe Ramasya Paduke Bharatasya Samipe Nyasa eva Astham. Astham. This sentence you remember. You will write. Then what more to be done? Ni vrittu nichi lati liti loti. My God. Okay, no problem. Nivrit, niche. Niche means in causal prayanartha. Lati, first let us do lati, Srinivas. Yaha papat nivartayati. Or nivartayati. This is in prayanartha, it is ubhayapada. Nivartayati, nivartayati. Yaha papat janan nivartayati. One who makes the people free or free from the sin. Yaha papat janan nivartayati or nivartayati. Saha sadhu purushaha, sadhu janaha. So you can make sentence like that. Nivartayati. Or you can say, lot also is there, Srinivas. Little Loti. Loti means imperative mode. Vidyalayat balan samaye gruham nivartayantu. Vidyalayat balan samaye gruham nivartayantu. Let them make the boys return home in time from the school. Balan, Vidyalayat balan gruham samaye nivartayantu. That is lot. Or nivartayantam, if you take Atmanipada root, nivartayantam. Samaye gruham athava gruhaya nivartayantu. Then for the liti example, you have to take from the context only. Ramayana, what we studied just now. Ramaha Bharatam Vanat Nivartayamasa. Ramaha Bharatam Vanat Nivartayamasa. Rama made Bharata return from the forest. Okay, Srinivas will write some of these sentences for more appreciation and clarity. Tell me the abhyasa. 20 abhyasa. Tell me the sentence. Yaha. That word is not still clicking me. Interview. Pratyaksha. Sakshatkara. We are using Sakshatkare means interview madhye. So right here interview. Interview. यह साक्षात्कारे सुमुखः भवति सः एव चितः भवति भवति नियुक्तः भवति चितः नियुक्तः. That is one sentence. Then we have to go to we made several sentences here. Guroho Adesham not plural chatra palayati. This is the simplest we have done. Guroho adesham chatra palayati. Ga. What do you want to make? The contextual is Ramasya Paduke Bharatasya Samipe Nyasa न्यासा इव विसर्ग लोपे आस्थाम. Okay? One more I said na? One more sentence. न्यासा पुत्री पितुः समीपे न्यास इव भवति. Kanya, that orally I am telling you, Putri Pituhu Samipe Nyasa Eva Bhavati. Then, one more. Oh. Ni plus Vrat Nich. First Lati will see. Lati means in the present tense. Lati, then what is he asking? Lati, liti, loti. Let what I said. यह जनान् यह पापा जनन निवर्तयति सः साधु पुरुषः साधु also you can say. One more sentence. Any more you can make. Contextual if you take Ramah Bharatam Aranyat Nivartayati. Same thing. Ramah Bharatam Aranyat Nivartayati. Liti only contextual we take. What is the sentence? Ramah Bharatam. Sorry. This I want. Ramah Bharatam Nivartayamasa. Bharatam Nivartayamasa. I'm writing. One more I have to write here. Loti, I am putting the arrow here. Balan Samaye Gruham Nivartayantu. Okay, this is Balan Samaye Gruham Nivartayantu. Let them, let them return the boys. Let the boys in time home. Balan Samaye Gruham Nivartayantu.
यह पापात् जनान् निवर्तयति सः साधु पुरुषः. लिटि रामः भरतम्
अरण्यात् निवर्तयामास. लोटि बालान् समये गृहं निवर्तयन्तु इति अत्र वयं स्थापयामः. शुरुं भूयात्.